Hafiz. Although, according to this is related by Imam Tirmidhi, some say the narration is slightly weak. 10 people, one Hafiz, al-Quran. A person who has memorized the Quran will take 10 people from his family who are destined for Jahannam into Jannah. Allah will place a crown upon his head. Allah will, when he goes into Jannah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, Iqra fartaqi. Read the Quran and read it like you used to read it in the dunya, and ascend and ascend and ascend. And where you will finish the Quran, that will be your Jannah. Sometimes we take these things as very light. Oh, you can't be bothered to make your child a Hafiz. Oh, it's too difficult. And it is difficult. But Jannah is not cheap. But you put the effort in, you make the child a Hafiz. And then on the day of judgment, imagine, subhanallah, the status of the parents. But imagine the Hafiz. Imagine family members, 10 family members who were destined toward Jahannam. This Hafiz will take them and he will enter them into Jannah. And this is why, brothers and sisters, subhanallah, we should invest in our akhirah, because we don't know where we're going to go. But that child that you invested in may take you into Jannah.